Rain makes everything feel a little sad, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's really cold today.
Boy, did you hear that?
Yeah, someone's here.
You're freezing. It looks so scared. It's okay now. We're here. You're safe.
Here, eat slowly.
It's eating!
It's dry.
Can we keep it?
I want to, but it deserves a real home. Would you take care of it?
Of course. Goodbye, little one.
You're going to be okay.
Do you think it remembers us?
I think it does. That's it! That's the puppy! Wow. That's more than enough. Yeah, my heart feels